We will do an airplane float. So let's sit down on the steps. Let's put your toesies over the edge of the step. Very good. Arms out like an airplane. I'm going to catch you, okay? I will catch you, I promise. So we're gonna put our eyes down and float very gently to me. We're gonna give a little push with your toes. 1, 2, 3, ready, go. Good girl. Good girl.
Now swing back.
To go back, I'm gonna take my hands right here on the ankles. So I'm just gonna unfold her to the steps. Okay, are you ready? Put your arms out like an airplane, please. Thank you. We're gonna be so gentle, no kickers. Nice and gentle. 1, 2, 3, ready, go.
Again!
Beautiful. High five.
I said 3 more.